What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides and Lowrides. Today I'm going to be taking off this factory windshield and I'm going to be installing a 9-inch Klock Werks black windshield on this 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. Hang out with me for a second. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Lowrides. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Lowrides. Stay tuned, because who knows where we're going to go next. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides and Lowrides. Today I'm going to be taking off this factory windshield and I'm going to be installing a 9-inch Klock Werks black windshield on this 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. Hang out with me for a second. All right, so let's look and see what we have in this packaging here. I took it out the box and I bought it home in the back of my Road Glide 3. And what it comes with is this is the 9-inch windshield. It comes with protective coating and some warnings and some important things to read. I will get this on and remove all the plastic coating after I get it on. Okay, YouTube, so this is it. This is the 9-inch black Klock Werks windshield. And it comes with some warnings and some important information to review before you install. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. See what we have inside there. All your factory screws and everything is what you're gonna use to basically put this on. And let's see, it looks like it comes with some colored instructions, which I like. And there we have it. So it tells you basically to loosen up the other windshield, remove it, install the other one, and screw it back on. And that's pretty much it. They have a phone number where you can call and an email address where you can send them an email. And what I noticed in the past is if you order one of these and it's just not to your liking, I've ordered them on Amazon before, and I did some tests for like wind buffeting and things like that, and it just, like, the sizes that I had just weren't for me, and I was able to return it. So that's pretty fair of the company. But to do this install, I have 2 Phillips screwdrivers, and I like using the small one on this one because I have a little bit more control. So I'm just gonna remove this one by taking off 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on the other side. So all we're gonna do initially is to just loosen the 4 screws. There's some plastic washers on the back of each one. So if you loosen these, it'll allow you to just remove the original windshield and put the new one on. And when you're tightening them down, you don't need to tighten it crazy tight because it will kind of warp the windshield. And see how easy it just comes off? Those tabs slide into place. Those cutouts slide into place on both sides, and it's just that easy. It's very simple. Comes right out. And you can see the design of the original one versus the one that I'm gonna put on there. The one that I'm gonna put on has a flare that is designed to send the wind up and over the top. So let's put them side by side so you can kind of see. You can already see the shape right there. All right, so here's a side angle there. And when I get it on the bike, you'll be able to see versus the side angle, this original. See, the one flare on the Klock Werks sends the air up and over, and the original one just sends the air up. And the cutouts around sends the wind around you as well. So I am back to where we started. You're gonna have these 4 screws here. I'm gonna loosen them up just a little bit more, but you wanna make sure that, see the little plastic washers, you wanna make sure the windshield goes under those. So I should have pulled screwed those out a little bit more. And so to do this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down. I need 2 hands. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to successfully get that on, and I have the 4 screws that I need to tighten up. Just making sure that everything's in place, nice and even, and that all the fittings are well on there. So I'm just gonna start off tightening one side up a little bit. Tighten the other side. So you have a lot more control with this smaller screwdriver. Don't want to over tighten. What I'm doing is I'm trying to prevent the screwdriver from slipping using one hand. It's always better to use two hands anyway. And just like that, the windshield's on. Nothing complicated. It's about a 5-minute replacement swap out of the old and the new. And now to just remove the plastic off just like that. And there you go. The install is done. And that's the flare that I was speaking of. And you can see on the Road Glide over here, I have the same one. So I do like it. It works for me. It's not as good as a tall windshield. On this Limited, I did have a tall windshield just like the one on this bike here. And I love it. Tall windshields are cool, but you have to get them in clear or smoke. And I like the black look. With the clear or smoke, it's not as cool, but on long road trips, it really blocks the wind from you. And I mean, you could ride without a lot of the wind in your face that could wear down on you over time. But anyway, this is it for the windshield install. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the windshield install for the 9-inch black Klock Werks windshield. And hope you like it. And I highly recommend it. I have it on 2 bikes now. And the other windshield on that one is not by Klock Werks, but I mean, if I did have one by Klock Werks, I would probably try it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for the next install on the Road Glide 3. Thanks for hanging out. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and forward it on to a friend. Thank you. See you next time.